What I like about Unified Bowling is that we always do things as a team and always try our best to get the most highest point. But it doesn't matter who wins or loses. We all do it together as a team. It's all for one and one for all, and that's what matters.
You get to see them having fun and everyone else is having fun. You get to work with others, meet new people who go to different schools. Because I'm from South, they're from North and East, so you get to really meet everyone. It's a great place where all the schools can combine. It's a really fun experience to help out the athletes. It kind of helps me build character. We're all just kind of having a good time and enjoying ourselves.
We learn from practice to keep the arm straight and the ball just slides down without going into the gutter. And then boom, strike or spare.
Oh, let's go, Coach. There you go.